Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video it's going to be a mini self-care routine, just showing you guys what I like to do to take care of my mind, body, and spirit. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. One of the first things I like to do in my self-care routine is shampoo my hair. If my hair is dirty, then my whole body just feels dirty. And you guys know I have a full detailed shampoo routine on my hair. I will post it either in the link in my bio, or I'll just post it up on the screen here. Right now all I'm doing is just making sure my hair is fully submerged in the water. You guys know I don't do anything to my hair without it being wet, like pertaining to detangling. Well, it's mainly detangling, and I just like to just make sure my hair is just completely wet. Oh, my hair is so thick and pretty. I don't get to see the back of my hair, so when I be looking at these videos I just be like, oh, my hair is so freaking cute. But anyway, right now I'm just parting my hair into 4 sections. You guys also know I don't like to do anything to my hair without it being in 4 sections. It's just more manageable for me to work with. Y'all know the vibes. My Dippity Doo curl conditioner, y'all know I use it as a pre-poo to condition my curls and also detangle my hair prior to shampooing. It just makes the shampoo and conditioner just more manageable, and also the detangling process as well. You guys know I like to use the Farm to Table Scalp Relief Tea Tree Shampoo, and I only shampoo my hair once, y'all. I don't really go in with 2 to 3 shampoos unless I have like braids, like a protective style, because then y'all know then I probably had it in a long time. But anyway, going back to the video, I'm just rinsing out the shampoo and making sure all of the suds are out of my hair. For conditioner, I use the OGX Tea Tree Mint conditioner, and I just submerge my hair into this. Y'all see I'm running out, but I just take each subsection and I finger detangle it through my hair. Leaving the conditioner on for the recommended time, I simply rinse it out. I do not keep the conditioners in my hair for a long period of time, because right after this I go into deep conditioning mode, so it's really no point of me having it in for a long time. Once my hair is clean and conditioned, I just go ahead and slick it back into a ponytail. And now it's time to move on to my body routine. First, we're going to start off with my face. I go in with my Dr. Bronner's Unscented, and I take my Vanity Planet brush and I just dab a little bit on there, and I exfoliate and wash my face with this. Normally after I shampoo my hair, I'm super tired, so I simply rinse this off my face. I go in with my Dove Sensitive Skin, my Dr. Bronner's, and you guys, I use this sucky scrub from Body's Prescription. Hated it so much, do not recommend. And then it was vanilla scented. I don't know what I was thinking. I hate vanilla scented things so much. I had to use some kind of scrub, you guys, because after I get out the shower, I'm going to wax my underarms, and it's really good to exfoliate before you do any of that. But let's go ahead and get out of the shower. I'm gonna go ahead and speed through my morning skincare routine. I already have a video up on that. I'll post it in the link in my bio. Now, I just simply wax myself how I see people do it on videos or on TikTok. Like, I'm not a professional, you guys. I did go to cosmetology school, but you guys, I'm not licensed as an esthetician. Do what you want to do at your own risk. Everyone can't do this by themselves, so if you think that you're one of those people, please do not seek to do this yourself, because you're going to be super sad with the results, and you're going to be super sad when you have to pull off the entire strap by yourself. So it ain't for everybody, and that's okay. But I'm simply just making my first layer of wax to pull off. I just apply it in the opposite direction of the growth, and I'm trying to make sure I make a flap, because the flap is the most important part of the waxing to me. That's what you're going to use to physically pull it off. And while it's drying, I'll simply just be on my phone, you know, just keeping my arm up. This part sucks because I hate holding my arm up. It just takes forever. Now, once it's dry, you guys, I'm going to pull the top flap. And this is what I'll be using just to pull the whole piece off. You see, like that part that I'm pulling, it's no hair right there. So that's why the flap is so important, you guys. Like, do not just put it where you see the hair. Make sure the flap is nowhere near where your hair starts. And I was going to cut this part out because it was taking me forever to pull that flap off. But I just want y'all to see how it's no hair right there. But see, I got the flap. See all of that? And I just go ahead and pull. Just rip it off. And as you see, no screaming, no screaming, no crying for me, because I ain't new to this, y'all. I'm true to this. Like I said, it's not for everybody, so please don't do it. Do it at your own risk. I would just say that. But if you're not 100% with yourself, don't do it. This is my last strap right here, you guys. I'm completely finished and smooth, so I simply go in with some Shea Moisture coconut oil and also a cotton pad, and I rub off that excess wax under my arm. It'll slide right off. But you guys, don't think that you can use coconut oil, like if it's like I said, do this at your own risk. Don't think you can just use coconut oil to make it slide off if you have a lot of hair under your arms. It's not going to work like that. Now, these small pieces, yes, but don't think that it's going to work like that for like a big amount of hair on your body. And now that I'm all smooth, y'all, I'm going in with my Dove deodorant. And for lotion, I'm just using some Victoria's Secret Velvet Petal Shimmers. I use that for my whole body, my arms, my legs, my feet. You guys, I cannot be ashy. I don't see how people do it. I freak out when I'm ashy. Now back to my hair. So now that it is nice and damp, freshly shampooed and conditioned, I like to go in with a deep conditioner. I deep condition my hair weekly. It is such a amazing process. I just use this hair mayonnaise right here. I get it at my local beauty supply. Best ever. I simply just submerge my hair into that, making sure I'm getting my ends really well. That is very important. Now that my hair is fully submerged in with the product, I just go in and put it into a pineapple, and I place a cap onto my head, and I leave this on for no more than 30 minutes, and then I just go ahead and style it as usual. But I'd go ahead and put some clothes on, you guys. I spray my favorite perfume, and I just relax the rest of the day. You guys, I really hope that you enjoyed this mini self-care with me, and I cannot wait to see you guys in the next video. Bye.